Ukushona komfundi waseParktown Boys High School sekuqubule imibuzo malungana nokuphepha nendlela ezisingathwa ngayo ezemidlalo ezikoleni. UEnoch Mpianzi, uminze eBrits ngesikhathi isikole afunda kuso sinekhempu eNorth. Abazali balomfundi baze batshelwa ezinsukwini ezimbili emva kwesigameko. UMnyango wemfundo usuqale olwawo uphenyo endaweni iNyathi Lodge eBrits ngaseBrits.
Bekuuhambo nje lokuzikhipha kwabafundi oluphenduka usizi. Isikebhe abebezikhandele sona abafundi samdlalo obekukhona kuso UEnoch Mpianzi siminze emva komoya obuvunguza ngamandla. Imithombo yeSABC iveza ukuthi abafana abahlanu ababekulesi sikebhe kanye noMpianzi bakwazile ukufinyelela osebeni lomvula kwaba ukusinda kwabo.
I had this thing that something would happen, something wrong was going to go wrong, of which it did happen, and I feel sorry for that child who went missing and drowned.
Lesigameko sithi asifane netsunami uqobo. Umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi uMpianzi eminze ngolwesithathu kungana amaphoyisa ebikela izolo ntambama ngalesigameko.
We needed to satisfy ourselves whether there are other circumstances that led for the late notification.
Ukuba Enoch ubegqoka ijacket yokuzivikela emanzini ngabe usindile. Omunye umbuzo uthi kungani engekho noyedwa ohlinzekwe ngayo.
I must confess that I'm not aware and I didn't see or I was not briefed whether the people that assisted the children and the children themselves had life jackets or were given, you know, when you go to a boat, you are told safety measures first when you go to, so that part of the information was not provided to me.
Ulisufu sezibophezela ekutheni kuzoba nguye ozophasisa uhambo lwabafundi uma nje luhlanganisa namanzi. Kunophenyo lusunguliwe okuzobhekwa kulo ukuthi ngabe kukhona yini obekufihlwa njengoba lenhlekelele ibikwe sekwedlula isikhathi noma cha.